Today, I'm showing you how to download and install the HP Smart app on your Android device to control your HP printer or scanner. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the icon with a colorful triangle. Step 2. Search for HP Smart. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type HP Smart or just HP. Step 3. Select the official app. When the search results appear, look for HP Smart or HP developed by HP Inc. Make sure it's the official HP app. Tap on it to open the app page. Step 4. Install the app. On the app page, tap the blue Install button. The app will begin downloading automatically. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Wait for installation. The Play Store will download and install the app automatically. You'll see a progress bar showing the download status. Once it reaches 100%, the installation is complete. Step 6. Open HP app. Once installation finishes, the Install button changes to Open. Tap Open to launch the HP app for the first time. You can also find the HP Smart icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 7. Set up the app. When you first open the app, you'll be prompted to create an HP account or sign in if you already have one. You can also skip this step and use the app as a guest, but signing in gives you more access to features. Step 8. Add your printer. Tap the plus sign or Add Printer button. Make sure your HP printer is turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. The app will automatically search for available printers. Tap on your printer when it appears to connect it. Step 9. Grant permissions. The app may ask for permissions to access your location, storage, and camera so you can print documents, scan documents using your phone's camera, and find nearby printers. What can you do with HP Smart? The HP Smart app lets you print documents and photos from your phone, scan documents using your printer's scanner or your phone's camera, check ink levels, order supplies, manage printer settings, and troubleshoot issues remotely. Explore features. Once your printer is connected, explore the app's features like mobile fax, print scheduling, and cloud printing from services like Google Drive and Dropbox. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed the HP Smart app on your Android device and are ready to control your HP printer or scanner from your phone.